Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest decisions a homeowner can make.
For many of us, the answer is your roof, and it's in a constant battle with the elements.
Especially in places like Michigan, roofs face some really unique challenges that cause standard materials to fail.
And get this, it's not just the weather. There's even a roof-eating bacteria that's common out there.
So what do most people do? Well, they usually start with a standard architectural shingle.
It's a popular option for sure. You get solid performance that'll last you about 2 decades.
But, technology marches on. Now there's a modern alternative, a complete high-performance system.
The secret sauce? It's rubberized asphalt. This makes the shingles way more flexible and durable.
So expert installers aren't just laying shingles, they're building an integrated system designed to last.
And that brings homeowners a huge peace of mind, especially when life gets a little hectic. When you put them side by side, the difference in lifespan and all-weather performance is pretty obvious.
This advanced material is just tougher. It resists tearing and holds on to those protective granules a lot better.
These shingles can even get a Class 4 rating. That's literally the best hail protection you can buy.
But here's where it gets really interesting. This modern system isn't just stronger, it's also greener.
Okay, check this out. Each one of these roofs upcycles the equivalent of about 5 old car tires.
It also uses the equivalent of over 3,000 plastic bags that would have ended up in a landfill.
Plus, some have special granules that actually reduce smog, like planting 2 brand new trees.
Which brings us back to that core decision. It's about weighing the upfront costs against long-term value.
You've got to remember, a new roof isn't just an expense. It's a real investment in your home.
Even experienced pros will tell you, choose a product that's actually designed for resilience and durability.
So the question is, since your roof is your home's first line of defense, is yours truly built to last?